What's going on? Mitch, Native Survival. Native Survival Rendezvous is beginning.
Oh, no.
Tons of guys here. Tons of kit. That's my buddy Joe. Oh snap. Big living room. It's gonna be a blast. Don't go anywhere.
You read a bang?
Yeah. Come over here. Look what I wrote.
I'll look in a minute.
It's charcoal.
Ah, this bag smells great.
Not too cold?
What?
Not too cold?
My spice bag.
Oh, that's good.
Had a bunch of food in it and stuff. Utility pouch, using it like a provision pouch. Making some tea, so I'm looking for my sugar. So, starting off with a little tea. My daughter has a hot dog on the fire. About to get some beans on the fire.
Is it done yet?
Notice when it was curled up and now it's trickling back out?
Yeah. That's wrong.
It doesn't matter. I'm getting a new one.
What do they got? The GoPro 5 now?
I'm gonna get a Canon or something.
Oh.
Can I pull down?
Sure, that's watch out for my tea.
You do it.
This one's starting to go on the fritz.
Okay.
Oh, that smells good, Sophie.
Not too shabby. Any spices on it?
I don't even smell anything.
You don't?
Oh my god, I just touched my nose.
You want some spices on it?
What do you have for spices?
Like garlic powder or something. Know the now?
So I'm going to rebuild up the fire a little bit, or everybody good?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Mr. Mitchell.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
I'm going to throw some beans over it in about 5 minutes and just let them sit there all day.
Okay. Get it going again.
That is good.
I didn't know that.
Get out of there.
You can borrow somebody. Gary's got an unbelievable one. You know,
It's a 52-inch, 50-pound bow, though. It's really hard to draw. It built me up real quick.
I got
Get out of there.
Kiva.
Hey,
Yeah.
you don't take food that nobody gave to you.
Yeah.
No.
She's a thief by nature.
She's a thief by
She's
nature.
a thief by nature.
You've been branded.
Not that I'm one.
You've been branded,
dogs
son.
would be going nuts last night when those coyotes started up.
She's a thief by nature.
Huh?
You didn't hear them coyotes last night?
I did not hear him. I was sleeping pretty good, even without Benadryl.
Yeah, they were up on the hill there. They started up. There must have been sounded like about a half a dozen of them.
She didn't hear him either. She would have.
Last time I was here, I was going to the bathroom over there, squatting, and real quiet, real low, 2 coyotes, 1 adult and 1 adolescent, probably only a year younger,
Right.
come running right down this hill, ding, 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 dead stop, 30 yards from me, staring at me. And I'm just sitting there staring back, and the older one's staring longer. I just keep staring, then it takes off running for its life up the hill. The other one stands there, watches it run, looks back at me, watches it again like, seriously? All right, so he follows. And then they go up there and they slow down, and then they do the broadside look.
Right,
And they
right.
sit there staring at me for maybe a minute or two and slowly lurk away into the shadows. And they're so quiet and they just disappeared somewhere, you know?
And you know
Never
what they,
had problems with coyotes.
you know what they
in the
did
wild.
afterwards? You know that big rock I moved?
Yeah.
There were two coyote turds right on top of that rock.
On top of it.
Fresh ones too.
Two sun-baked coyote turds.
I was like, oh, somebody's letting Mitch know that this is their turf.
That's funny. Well, they probably found my marking over there, and they're like, no.
No, this ain't gonna do.
No. I poop on your pee.
Wait. I poop on your pee. May the fleas of 1,000 camels rest in your armpits. Is it good? Good?
Sure, it'd be better with ketchup or something. But that's how it is in the woods. You don't have the little amenities from home.
Right.
It's a little rougher.
You gotta rough it.
A little rougher.
No ketchup.
You gotta imagine it has ketchup for it.
I'm gonna get my beans going. So sit down and protect the. You sit in my seat. Protect the food
So the dog don't
from the
eat it.
branded thief.
Oh, you can eat.
How do you spell that? K-E-E-V-E-R?
What do you got, man?
K-I-V-A?
Got a stainless steel tankard. Dude, that is bad to the bone.
How do you spell your dog's name?
All right, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna cook some beans. So I've got a big pail
Metal.
and a bag of beans, like 10 cans.
You can shoot. I was shooting it to a 9mm.
Bush is organic. All right, first order of business,
Oh my
the meat.
Duh, meat.
Yep. Oh, we're making baked beans? Yep. With 2 pounds of Hamburg. Kick that up a notch to feed some dudes.
Beef and beans.
Go get it. Go get it.
You got it.
That's Gary pulling out.
Yeah, Gary said he had to run to the store. Oh, no, run to his house, rather.
Kiva? Are they?
That's what gets sanitary. You just wipe the blood on your pants. That's how we do it. Just gonna go over the fire. Get that meat started.
Is my hot dog ready or what?
Almost. You sound a little cranky there, Sophie.
You lie down.
Oh, watch the crank.
Nobody's bothered.
Watch out. Don't put your weight on that.
No.
Okay. Let's move the tripod over so I can hang it right over the embers.
Kiva? Yeah.
Oh, so I should. Do you want me to not build this up then, Mitch? Or?
You can build it up.
Alright. I think I will.
Something along those lines. Hold it with a clove hitch. Clove hitch in the chain. It's a chain hitch.
Locking chain hitch.
Raise this up again. Easy enough to do.
Gotta raise it up the wall. Like that. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I like that.
Clove hitch.
The old clover.
Clove hitch with a chain. Can't say I've seen that done too often, Nick.
Nope. It's a chain hitch. I carved this last time I was, a couple times ago, hanging out with Gary. I needed one really fast, so made it happen.
Make it so.
Make it so. Just knocked it together from a piece of pine, whatever.
Make it so, remember.
Yeah. You guys ever seen that meme with Captain Jean-Luc Picard? And it's like a picture of the first camera ever made. And he's sitting at his captain desk going, well, who made that one? Who took that picture, you know? It's awesome. Because it's a picture of the first camera ever made.
Right,
you know,
right.
it's just like,
Who
well,
took that picture?
exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, and he has that like meme where he's sitting there like, what? You know? It's really good.
Yeah, that one did go over my head for a couple seconds there.
It's all good. The wording's a little different. I had to change it. So it's a little graphic, actually.
That's so rich.
Especially with the little one.
Right.
Right on, right on. So this wood is going to create a shadow underneath the fresh stuff. So I'm going to open it up a little bit, like that piece right there, and it'll get sizzling again.
Do it down low. I like the stick.
I spy an SK.
Hello, hello.
That's a deranged new survival knife, actually. That's how the guys do it up in northern Maine. That meat is looking lovely.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Pot's really hot, sweetheart, so be careful around it.
Don't worry, I'm just cooking weed.
Just letting you know.
There's the beans.
The beans.
The beans. The beans. The beans.
There they are. The beginning of magic. But yeah, man, yeah. Look up hunting land. That's the way to snag some good land, cheap land, you know, for what we want to do. It's the way to get it done, man.
Girlfriend wants to get into homesteading.
2 sticks of butter.
What I want to do.
Your girlfriend wants to get into homesteading?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
That's what I want to do.
Bam.
Rabbits, chickens, and goats. That's what I want.
Yeah. Need my chickens, I want my eggs.
Yeah, I hear you on that. I'd have no problem eating 5 eggs a day.
Oh my god.
When you're home for the summer, that's what we do.
Ew.
Yeah, like when we make eggy pie, quiche.
Yeah.
Yeah, we crank through eggs. You wouldn't believe how many eggs we eat. I'm gonna move it back.
Let me tell you something, mister. I didn't expect to be left alone down here.
I expected you back 15 minutes ago. I got some beer and stuff.
Yeah. Savage.
Beer and stuff, man.
You got beer?
Yeah.
I knew it.
The old chain hitch keeks.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's. Everybody gets a nice.
And I got that. I got some of my own brandy because I like it so much.
Boxed water is better.
Oh yeah. Hey, they told me it was better, so I
Really?
bought
You
it.
got pumpkin?
Yeah, I thought we could shoot it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that too.
Why not? Some holes in there.
Bought a pumpkin to shoot?
Start
Yeah.
facing it.
Dude, I'm gonna put an arrow right into that thing.
Yeah. Arrow right through it.
You know, I thought I would
Oh,
drive
what are
my
you
car
doing?
down and unload
What are you
this
doing
stuff,
over
but
here?
I'm thinking everyone else is
No,
kind of in the
go.
way. I'm gonna drive back
Go.
out, but
Nothing
if
here
we
for
get
you.
rain tomorrow,
Go.
people may have trouble getting off this
Go.
path.
Not him.
No,
Nah, he's got four-wheel drive.
I got all-wheel drive, but it's not. So my car's not super high.
Oh yeah,
Super high
yeah.
off the ground.
Okay.
Kind of moving ground clean. Got up here, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty weird.
No, it's I don't remember his name.
That shit. That's a lot of work to do for a saw, huh?
Yeah.
I
We'll
like it.
definitely make that kayaks.
It was $120.
Worth it though.
Yeah, it'll be 500 by the time they.
Hey, you know, it's nice though, yeah.